Project Indrajal is an advanced, AI-powered, autonomous drone defense system developed by Hyderabad-based Grene Robotics, spun off as Indrajaal Infra in 2023. It is designed to provide comprehensive, networked counter-drone security, protecting areas up to 4,000 square kilometers against all classifications and levels of autonomous drones, including unmanned aerial vehicles, loitering munitions, and low radar cross-section targets. Now, we will analyze a detailed overview of Project Indrajal. Key features of Indrajal. Wide area coverage. Indrajal can autonomously protect areas ranging from 1,000 to 4,000 square kilometers, making it suitable for defending military bases, critical infrastructure e.g., nuclear power plants, oil refineries, ports, airports, energy grids, urban landscapes, and borders. AI-powered autonomy. Indrajal system leverages SkyOS, an AI-enabled platform for hyper-automation and autonomous decision-making. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze threats, suggest mitigative actions, and continuously evolve against emerging drone threats. Modular technology. Indrajal integrates 12 proprietary modular technologies, including Grene OS or SkyOS. Grene OS or SkyOS is a patented autonomous resource planning engine. Spider Mesh. Spider Mesh is a high-speed wireless mesh network covering up to 4,000 square kilometers. Repulsor. Repulsor is a tractor beam for jamming and controlling drones. Grene. Grene is a machine vision for threat identification. Hypersensing. Hypersensing combines multiple sensing technologies for detection. Zombie drones. Zombie drones are hard-kill drones to neutralize swarms with precision. Swarm is a collection of multiple drones that communicate and coordinate with each other in real time to perform tasks such as surveillance, reconnaissance, defense, or attack. Multi-layered defense. The multi-layered defense system employs intelligent detection, smart jamming, advanced spoofing, and hard-kill capabilities e.g. laser transmitters and zombie drones to counter drones of all sizes and autonomy levels. It can detect drones in challenging environments, including hilly terrains, using radar, electromagnetic spectrum, and thermal detection for nocturnal operations. Drone Watchtower. Drone Watchtower is a proprietary comprehensive defense system under development by Grene Robotics, which integrates radars, jammers, spoofers, lasers, and hard-kill drones to neutralize rogue drones without requiring multiple systems. C5ISRT capability. Indrajal is part of Grene Robotics' DefOS ecosystem, providing command, control, communication, computers, collaboration, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting. This marks a significant advancement from traditional C4I systems. Real-time situational awareness. The system offers 24/7 monitoring, tracking, and action through a honeycomb cell structure, enabling seamless connectivity and response to single or multiple threats. Operational deployments. Military and infrastructure protection. Indrajal has been deployed at strategic naval ports in Gujarat and Karnataka, the world's largest refinery, and India's third largest airport, handling over 37.5 million passengers annually. It was also used to secure the 2021 Independence Day celebrations at the Red Fort. International use. The system is deployed by the Indian Army and the Indonesian Army, showcasing its global applicability. Critical infrastructure. It protects high-value assets like nuclear power plants, refineries, ports, airports, and energy grids from drone attacks. Strategic importance. Response to modern threats. Indrajal addresses the limitations of manual weapons and point-based defense systems, which are inadequate against AI and robotics-driven modern warfare, such as drone swarms and precision-guided munitions. It was developed in response to incidents like the 2021 Jammu Air Force Base attack, where drones dropped explosives. Third revolution of warfare. The system represents a shift toward autonomous defense systems, integrating AI, cybersecurity, and robotics to counter advanced threats like UAVs and smart swarms. Future infrastructure. Beyond defense, Indrajal is developing drone ports, drone superhighways, and drone air traffic control systems to support safe and efficient aerial mobility in urban and regional skies. Role of Project Indrajal in Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor involved significant drone warfare, with Pakistan attempting retaliatory drone and missile attacks on Indian cities like Srinagar, Jammu, Bhuj, and others following India's strikes. These attacks reportedly involved 300 to 400 Turkish-made Songar drones across 36 locations. Project Indrajal played a critical role in Operation Sindoor by providing advanced, AI-powered anti-drone systems to protect India's airspace. Its SkyOS platform enabled real-time detection and neutralization of Pakistani drone and missile attacks. Deployed at strategic locations like Gujarat's naval port, it ensured robust defense against low-altitude threats. The system's autonomous capabilities minimized human risk and collateral damage. This enhanced India's precision and restraint in the operation. Conclusion. Indrajal is a pioneering, indigenous Indian anti-drone system that combines AI, modular technologies, and networked architecture to provide robust protection against aerial threats. Its deployment in critical military and civilian infrastructure, recognition at global forums, and potential for future drone infrastructure development underscore its significance in modern defense and aerial security.